Hi, it's me, Abby, and I'm here at Seljalandsfoss waterfall. It's 8 o'clock in a late July evening, and the weather's great right now. If you want to avoid the crowds, this is the time to come, because earlier today there was hundreds and hundreds of people. There's actually several waterfalls you can see here at Seljalandsfoss waterfalls. There's the main falls behind me, Seljalandsfoss, and then there's a trail that takes you to some others. The best one, in my opinion, is the one that you have to go through a creek in between a little canyon and arrive in a cave to see the waterfall. It's amazing. At a hidden waterfall. It's really awesome. It's inside this cave. You had to hike through a creek to get here. You probably can't hear anything I am saying. It's so amazing. Love in Iceland.